In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to properly rename categories in WordPress. As your site grows, you might need to change the name of some of your categories or merge them with other categories. Today, I'm going to show you how to rename your categories. In your dashboard, go to Posts, and then click on Categories. Go to the category you want to rename. I'm going to rename this one. Now, the easiest way to rename this category is by clicking on Quick Edit here, and then simply change the name here. You don't have to change the slug if you're only making a minor name change, but if you do, then you've got to set up a 301 direct. I'll link a video in the description where you can learn more about how to set up redirects. Then click on Update Category. The second method is by clicking here on Edit, and then you can change the name of the category here. This is how you can properly rename categories in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.